In this segment, I'm going to lay down few categories, and if you fit in any of them, you can consider investing in large cap funds. Number 1, if you're a beginner and you want to start your journey in mutual funds. Because large cap funds invest in big companies, they are stable over the long run and they give good returns. So for a beginner, large cap funds can be a good entry point in the world of equities. They let you experience growth without extreme up and down. Second is if you have a moderate risk appetite. Now what does that mean? Risk appetite is basically how much fluctuation or ups and downs you can handle emotionally. For example, if you don't like seeing your portfolio jump 10% one month and drop 15% the next, large cap funds can be a go for you. They do not move as widely, and that stability helps you stay invested for a long term. Third is if you're looking for a core equity in your investment portfolio. Core allocation means the main or the foundational part of your investment, the part you keep for long term. Large cap funds are perfect for that because they grow steadily and give stability. The next category is if your investment horizon is at least 5 years or more. Horizon means how long you can stay invested. Equity funds need time to grow. Over 5 to 10 years, large cap funds help you ride out market up and down and build solid wealth. And yes, these funds are also perfect if you want to diversify away from the craziness of small caps. No investment is risk-free, and even large cap funds. So here are few points that you must remember. Large cap funds do have market risk. That is, when the overall stock market falls, even the biggest companies fall. Large cap funds drop less, but they still move with the market. Second is benchmark lag. Every fund is compared to an index like Nifty 100 or Sensex. Sometimes fund managers fail to beat that index. That's called underperformance. Third is overvaluation. Big popular stocks like HDFC Bank or Reliance often trade at high price. If the company's growth slows down, the stock can correct sharply because it was overvalued. The next is expense ratio. It is the small fee you pay the fund house every year to manage your money. A higher expense ratio means lower returns in your pocket, so always compare before investing. So yes, large cap funds are stable but not guaranteed. So you still need patience of 5 years of investments to ride the ups and downs of the market.